Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Sahu and I'm going to share my experience of the crash course provided by Aviation Life Personality Development and English Spoken classes. The duration for the class was for 15 days and all the classes held regularly. On the very first day, Ashutosh told us about the basic difference between what is grammatical English and what is spoken English. He also told us about all the daily tasks which one should do to improve their communication skill. And on the second day, he told us about basic grammar which we use in our daily life. And for the remaining days, we did lecturate and group discussion on various topics. Every time the topic was different, and this method helped me a lot in improving my communication skill. The kind of personal attention Aviation Life provide to its student is just impeccable. The focus is given on all the weak areas so that one can improve. Aviation Life provide quality teachings, works on your basic, which is the most important way to improve the communication skill. Initially, when I saw the advertisement of this crash course, I was like, what they will teach you in just 15 days and how you will start talking in English in just few days. But when I joined this course, I realized what a fantastic course this was. And I suggest you all to join this course if you want to enhance your communication skill. It will totally worth it. Thank you.